Hello, my Math Independent Study student. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the absolute value equation, such as absolute value of 3x minus 6 equal 21. There are 4 steps that you are going to apply when you want to solve an absolute value equation. The first step, you are going to write the absolute value equation as two equations. One is positive and the other is negative. Step 2, you are going to solve each equation separately. Step 3, after solve each equation, you are going to check your answers. And the last step, step 4, you are going to write out the final solution. So let's begin with the following example. So here again, we try to solve the absolute value equation of 3x minus 6 equal 21. So the first step we are going to do that we are going to rewrite the absolute values equation into two equations. One is positive and one is negative. So how can we know? I just put the negative side in front of the expression 3x minus 6. Now we step 2, we are going to solve each equation. So let's start with the positive equation. We have 3x minus 6 equals 21. So the first step we want to do is that we want to add 6 to the left and then to the right side, because we want to move the negative 6 from left to right, or we want to isolate the x. So now we have 3x equal 27. Now we'll go ahead and divide both sides by 3 to get x by itself. So therefore on the left side, 3x divided by 3 will give us x. On the right side, 27 divided by 3 will give 9. So now we have x equal 9. Now let's move to the negative side. So we have negative side in front of 3x minus 6. So make sure we put the parentheses, because we mean negative 1 times the binomial 3x minus 6 equal 21. And now we distribute the negative 1. So negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 6 is positive 6. So we have negative 3x plus 6 equal 21. Now we go ahead and cancel the 6. So we're going to subtract 6 from the left side and also from the right side. So we have negative 3x equal 15. And then now we want to isolate the x, so we will divide both sides by negative 3. So we have negative 3x divided by negative 3 will give us x. On the right side, 15 divided by negative 3 will give us 5. So now we're done with step 2. Step 3, we are going to go back and check the answer. So we're going to go back and check with the positive side. We have x equal 9. So we will substitute x for 9 into the original absolute value equation. So we have absolute value of 3 times 9 minus 6 equal 21. So we have, and now we're going to check on the left hand side. So we apply the order of operation, the PEMDAS. So we have to multiply first before you subtract. So 3 times 9 equal 27. So you think about right here, you have 27 minus 6, and take the absolute value of that. So that will give us the absolute value of 21, and that will equal 21. So you can see right here. So therefore we can conclude that yes, 9 is a solution. Now let's go to the negative side. We are going to check for x is negative 5. So now we'll go ahead and substitute x for negative 5 into the original absolute value equation. So we have absolute value of 3 times negative 9 minus 6. So again, let's apply the order of operation. So 3 times negative 9 is negative 15 minus 6. That's at the left side. We copy. So now you can see right here that negative 15 minus 6 is negative 21. Now absolute of negative 21 is 21. So when you take the absolute value, your outcome is always a positive real number. So therefore we also conclude that negative 5 is a solution. So therefore step 4, which is the last step, we need to write out the final solution. We're using the set raster notation. So we say the solution set is a collection of all the x. So this bar means such that x is 9 and x is negative 5. So this will be the conclusion for this video. Make sure that you write down your summary for us. Thank you. Goodbye.